Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. What we will do, we are going to content block. Last day we created a content block. We have done several content block, but we have not done. This is the two prime and things. Code snippet. It is generally for any code display. If we click here, code snippet block, we can click and paste code here. If we want to paste here, code will be here. But our main target, here we can create code snippet, block, drag text or HTML files here. Suppose I am creating a content block. This is simply HTML. Login to run toes pushed here once again. With the mass tab view tool for locate it. I will use it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. One minute. 1 minute. One minute. One minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Ro- That HTML file we can upload here. Okay. We can sample. Upload and publish. This is the code snippet. Present code snippet. Let it refresh. This is a code snippet content builder. This is a content builder, but it says code snippet. Click here. Next, we can move to the code snippet. This is a code snippet content. Now we want to do another content block, that is a dynamic content block. What dynamic content block? Dynamic content block. What will be dynamic content block? Suppose, for an example, suppose there is a different city. Suppose a city is a Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai. Different city. Whenever it will be custom, only select according to which city. City-wise, some text will be displayed. Suppose if it is a Delhi, it will be Delhi text will be displayed. If it is according to customer, when will be send the mail? If customer from the city, from Bangalore, it will be send a text mail. Welcome to Bangalore. If it is a city, customer city is Delhi, it is welcome to Delhi. For that purpose, we need to create some. We are creating some text content block first, and that will be added in the dynamic content block. Let us do first. Dynamic before content, dynamic content block before dynamic content block. First of all, we need to create I have created a few text block. Let us go to folder. Here, this is my folder where I kept all of the block I have created. Here I am keeping some more text block. Let us create some text block. Suppose welcome to Delhi. I am giving the name as it is said Delhi. I am going to create a text block. For sample, because all of these will be added in the dynamic content block. This is one block I have created. Now next I am creating another two block. Create here. And the text block. Suppose welcome to Bangalore. This is the text block. Now text block is from there. Another one, I am creating 3 easy to get. Next to another text block. Next, if it is not matched, then I am creating another block. If it is a default block, it is a new block is called default block, default text block. I am creating another block. And now this is location 1. Now we want to 3 block we have created. Now we want to create a dynamic block. Create content block. We want to create dynamic block, dynamic content block. Dynamic content block, we are creating rules. Dynamic content block, suppose create rule. Notice here create rules. Profile activity, build a rule based on the profile file attributes or reference attribute we are choosing from data extension. Data extension will be better for us because in data extension which we have done and inside it there is a city field is there. Let me showcase you. This is the data extension earlier I have used. Now in this data extension there is a field called city. What I am doing in city field, drag and drop here. And now if city, suppose it is this data extension have a multiple records. Which city will match? Suppose city if city text value. If city text is equal to, then it will be matched with the create. Notice here we are selecting select. Click here select and select, it will be chosen which block. Now we are selecting. It will be, we have created block Delhi text block. If it is person's city match with the Delhi, then it will be that content, that text block will be displayed. Next rows I am creating. Suppose it is a city. It is in Bangalore. It is Bangalore text block. It is Bangalore, it is in Bangalore. It is in Bangalore. The city. Thank you. You have noticed if it is Delhi, we have created rules. City will be matched with Delhi. It will be Bangalore or Mumbai. Another situation can happen. There are many other city for the customer it is not matching with the rules. That means that is a default. Select it. It is a default. Dynamically it will be displayed. It will display this is a default location. This is a default location. This is Delhi location. This is a Bangalore location. Now click on save. Click on save dynamic. Content block, dynamic content block. We have created dynamic content block. Very good. Next, now we are going to create some text block first. We are going to create some text block. Scroll down, there is a text block at the yes. At least 2-3 city. Why is some text block? You write any text message. And we have created a new text and then you effect behind the screen. You need to give a message according to your which attribute you want to work. Suppose I have decided I will give the word city. According to city, it will be changed. Which attribute you are thinking, go with the city, because in your which data extension we have created, I think that already have a city as a, because that data extension will use. Got? Do some same thing, some city name that will be easy for you. Suppose you are going to choose 3 port city, and in your data extension which we have already created that has a city field, and according to city change that will be displayed. That's the reason. This is a very simple example. I just wanted to put something like looking to explore, and then maybe like different countries we can add it like different countries. This should be a default one. It is a default. Save as a default. Save as a default version. Cool. When you got gates in Java 8 just there, religiously speaking, this should be saved as content block. No, it will be as a text. This is a text block. You have to read into 3 text block, then it will be all text block will be connected with the dynamic content. Because according to dynamically city selection of the, then suppose a city is in Delhi, his message will be welcome to the link that whenever we will send a mail through content builder, he will get that mail according to that. Got? Now I can create a dynamic one. Diamond. Die. UKS. Now I can create a dynamic one. No, I think you are choosing, can go for again. Not, it is a can go back. Exact. Go to create a block. Content block, then choose that scroll up, dynamic content. Now in the first section is for default. It is for default to go to your folder where you have created a block. Which folder you have kept all of your message, a text box. I have to Ruby on it. And then I've done. Now I have to start creating the rules. Now we need to choose it. Where is the city field? City field, drag and drop. City field on vent. You have done. Click on select. Select. On vent and select, go to your folder, select which city you have chosen, that block, that text block you should. Got. Go to content builder. Yes, click on content builder. And side, go to your folder first. Go to left side your folder, which folder you are watching, which folder I'll answer. Choose your folder first, otherwise you will be lost the mail. Yes, I'm in the folder now. Now side, go to create. Click on create email message. Select from choose from template. On when basic, click on basic, which is select basic. Ankit. Can I select any one of the templates? One column template, you see side, one column template is selected. Give some name. It is a Ruby template. Dynamic template. Good, next. Left side, blog after blog, there is a tab called content. Ruby dynamic content is there on vent. This is the air content on vent. Can you go to side? Is it possible to delete it? Can you check whether it is a delete? Is giving a facility? Can you delete it? You mean this particular template? Just delete. Check whether it is giving option to delete it. It doesn't delete it. Now keep it. Now left side, drag and drop dynamic content to your that section. Which section you have deleted, paste it. The drag and drop, I'll leave it, and now add subject line. Add subject. Given a subject line, hot is the actual application, which location is selected, default. Can you check? Click on the left side, daily, can just select, click on daily. What is showing looking text? What is it? Like this, it says Delhi. No, it's not select. Now you can send mail. Now go to the next. You are sending mail, we are sending mail, and now leave it. Click on next. What is your preview and test? Go to next. Click on preview and test. This is now. Click on save is box. Click on save and exit. This is your template based email now. Go to your content, email studio. Go to email studio. Go to email studio. Go to content builder, content, left side content. Content, yes. Left side content. Now send to email message. Email templates. Oh, sorry. I mean, now we have to create an email and add the template to that. Yes, create an email template, or you can choose the select, that's Ruby email template. Choose, already it's there. Click it on. Can you double click it? Ruby or email, Ruby or dynamic template. Can you double click it? This is the template. Can you cite? There is a send option. Can you click on cite? Next, choose data extension. Choose data extension. Which data extension we have used? Factor city spill. Can you remember that's last time during detection we have created some template? Yes, I think Ankit training there was one list. Ankit data extensions. Here you can click. Click it inside it. That template is there. Which city template is there? Now click on next. Click on next. Should I add this here? Drag and drop. Yes, you should drag and drop. Click on next. Next it. Just if this, keep everything default send. And next. Here all goods are there. When according to city. Next. There is no next. It is review and send. Review and send, it is already sent. It is check, it is yes. What is the learning here? What is the learning here? Can you open the data extension? Can you open the data extension? Now it should be much more clear data extension. Go to subscriber and data extension. Which detection should we have used? Ankit data extension, you can open the data. Now it should be much more clear. Scroll down. Detection, now scroll down. Scroll down. Yes, click it now, double click it. Records. Click on records. Oh, records is not. Can you hear? Can you import? Import. Import. This data backup is there. Excel sheet. Bra. I have created some data extension. Select it that. If it matches, it will work. There is a city is there. Some mappings required. I think that list is different. That list is different. I think it is different. My name, your list, and my list is different. That's the reason. What is the learning here? Learning is here that when mail will be sent, then according to user, it will be sent if a subscriber is in Delhi. He will get the message welcome to Delhi. This is the rules. Whenever I want to add more, there is a rule for. I want to create the two rules. First, I want to choose the country here. Suppose it is a country equivalent to India. And there is an add option. You can add and suppose India country. You are choosing the country. This is India, UK. If these two are granted, then what is the rule? I can choose according to the message. If it is India or UK, then this message. According to that content and which kind of content. This content, when we are choosing the content, it is a text content, text block, but it may be email. It may be a different kind of content, any kind of content block. It is a text block. These are the two cases. These two conditions, I am choosing this text block. Even here condition is a OR operation. It can be OR, it may be AND. It may be multiple conditions. It can be clever. Suppose country and city. This country and this city. It will be a combination of these two. We can do the permutation convention here. We can set the according to rules. And when it will be, mail will be dispatched and then it will be chosen. Then it will be not earlier, it was only city field. Now it will be country field, even also city field. Even we can set the multiple. Not only country, I am choosing India, UK and Delhi. This is AND PO. This is AND claw. Multiple combination can happen. Based upon that, we can create the rule. Concept clear? It has some drawbacks. What is the drawbacks? Suppose it is a too many content because you are creating rules. Too many. City, it is difficult to create many rules here one by one. There is another, options are here. It is called. It is, there is a new concept is there. What is the new? New is go to content block. And there is a called enhance content block. Enhance dynamic content block. Another content block is there that is called enhance content block. What is enhance content block? Enhance content block because it is if it is a too many data. Suppose this is it is a too many data. Here is a Hyderabad. If it is a Hyderabad, then it is a message. If it is a Nagpur, then it will be message. This is if it is a default, then what is the message? In that case, I am uploading the data to a CSV. I have created a CSV because it is a too many content. If I try to create rules by manually, it will be difficult for if it is a 10 to 15 years. But if it is a 200 rules you have to create, it is a challenging. Data is where suppose we have kept the data set in an Excel in a CSV file. In a CSV file, I have kept all data set. Now according to, because I want to from this data set, I want to use for dynamic content. That is, it is a different name. It is enhanced dynamic content. Here it will be, it is feasible and suitable for. If it is a data count is more bigger. How to do? First of all, I have already the Excel sheet. I need to upload content. First, I need to upload content, enhance dynamic content. Click on content. First I need to upload. For me it is already is there. It may be. It will tell that it is enhanced dynamic content I need to upload. Click on upload and publish. Or you can click it. Upload, we need to go to this. This is the steps we need to do. City details. And then we need to go to the next step. Click on next. All cities, suppose if it is a city, it is a Hyderabad. As for my Excel sheet, and here it will be display here and content. If it is a city, then it is a which content. For me, I have a setup. Welcome to Hyderabad. Now I want to say no. I want to say not text message. I want to set an image. I want to set an image also. If it is I can set the image also. It is a data type I am loading mentioning here. The next, click next. It will be because this data is exist. For your case, you will do fresh. Here it is some city. We have written here Hyderabad, Nagpur, Delhi and default. According to select city, we have to select the city and it is message will be displayed. Click import. Data has been imported. Now what we need to do the same thing. Go to content builder. Create an Excel sheet. Create an Excel sheet. And you can save city and location, city and content first column. You can save second column as a city, second column as a content. For 5 city. Why this is the option? If it is a suppose 50 city, then you will be not required to rule one by one. It will be upload. It will be create rules for you understood. That is the facility. Let us. Don't I read? Should we have like kind of default or something like we had earlier? Not required. Not required. As CSV file. It's not important, but you missed. Welcome to Chennai. If you want, you can update it. Perfect. Save. It's saved Ankit. File yes. You can write a dynamic. Yes, it's saved. Now you are going to content builder. Content builder. Content builder. Now click on Create and Dynamic Content. Create no content block. Content block. Dynamic content. Extended. Enhance dynamic content. Enhance dynamic content. Click it. Enhance dynamic content. 1 minute. Can you cross it? Can you cross it? You need to back it because your data need to first upload. First you go to, can you back it? Back it and choose the folder. Which folder? Left side which folder you have created today. Ruby, 1 second. Let me check it. Now this is the folder. Now side, click on drop down. Click, there is a drop down. Click here. There is a click create button. There is a drop down. Click it. At the below upload, and then click on enhance dynamic content because you are uploading first from your local system. Content builder, yes. Now click on next. Now his city is a key, and if it is a city, this city, then this is default. Now click on next. Next. Now import. Click on import. 1 minute. These are the cities. These are now, it has been imported. This is your content, is it? This is your content. Now you want to create the content block. Content ready. Now if the content block that dynamic in this dynamic content, enhance dynamic, yes. Go to your folder, left side, go to your folder. Select this, click it and select it. Then see below, select. Click on left side. Can you expand in the Mumbai? Can you left side, left side? Click on it. Shana. It is the same like in previous. It is but here what is the help it is doing? Earlier you have created manually. But now from your Excel it is the same thing is happening, but data is here. Understand what I am telling? Yes, if it is your 100, 200, then how will manually one by one? Earlier you have creating manually rules, but now it has automatically. It has been chosen. Now if you select it, Chapuni side, continually the pool. If it is it, now you can save. Now you save it. It is a enhanced dynamic content block. Very good. Save it. You are saving this content, dynamic content block. You have saved. This is just like a template. After this, should we create an email? What is the difference? All year we have created rules on my one. Now from Excel, CSV data is here. More fast. I am able to create same thing. Good, I've created. Should I go back? Create a new email. Now you can create a mail. You can choose give me some name. This section you can delete. There is a delete option below. You can delete left side. You can drag and drop. Now you can left side, go to content. Yes, content. Now you can delete. Go to your content. Wait, enhance dynamic content block. Enhance dynamic content block. No, not fast. Second option, enhance drag and drop. Enhance dynamic content block. Drag and drop and leave it according to your location. Just you can left side, you can select Pune. Pune will be displayed. Click here. Just changing happening. Now give the subject line. When this mail will be sent, then according to locations or city, it will be. Now click next. You can click save. Save. Save it, it is saved. Now go to Email Studio and suppose now Email Studio. Your content builder. Now go to Content Builder. Yes, now you have set everything ready. Now you want to create this. You have prepared everything. Now you are sending mail. Now go to your folder, which folder you want to keep the mail. Now click on Send option. Your content is ready. Now you are clicking on the Send option. Now you are choosing the content. Next, data extension. Choose data extension because earlier you kept ready everything. Now you are choosing who are the subscribers you are sending. Now your content blog is ready. Now you are sending the mail. There is another folder. Once again, I'm just searching for Ankit testing or something that you cannot choose. Yes, this is a data extension. Choose it. Select. Now, this is the old things just you can. Select this and it simply select it and what will happen? All cost. Subscriber according to their matching city based, they will be get them in content section. It will be displayed that as per the city matching location. And then in order to track, I can just go like you can reuse it because once you have content, blocks are reusable components. You can anytime you can use, you can edit, you can configure, reconfigure. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.